My name's Matt. I'm 23 years old. I did 2 years in prison for grand larceny and burglary.
My name is Joey. I'm 38 years old. I did 12 years in prison for armed robbery.
When I got out, I didn't really know what to do with myself. Felt really alone walking around the city, didn't really talk to anyone. It was really strange to me.
At first, when I got out, I couldn't even deal with the reality of being outside. Everything had changed. Things didn't exist that now exist. My mom and grandmother died on the same day, and other than that, I don't have any other family. When I got home to the empty house, I realized I was truly alone and that I was pretty scared for my future.
My dad told me I should get my act together before I can come home. So I went to this motel. But that's all I could do at the moment. I wasn't sure I could deal with life out here. I went down to the animal shelter. When I walked in there, there were so many different dogs. I kind of wished I could take all of them home with me. They all looked kind of sad and lonely, just like I was, just caged in.
When I went to the shelter, knowing that every one of these dogs will die eventually if someone does not adopt them, I made a decision to adopt at least one of them, and then I came up on Sadie.
When I saw Jeannie, I just fell in love with her. She was just an awesome dog. She was great. You're a cutie.
There was a moment that I knew Sadie is the one I need to get, know what I need to have to get my life in order.
I filled out all the paperwork and I adopted Jeannie and I took her back to the motel with me. I gave her a bath. It was funny to see her reaction to it.
I adopted Sadie, I took her home. We played ball and ran her around and trained her a little bit. I took her to the lake.
I took her to a couple parks. She's super friendly. And it's funny because people started coming up and talking to me because of Jeannie. Because she is so cute and such a great dog.
Having a dog with me in this house was so much better. No more lonely, you're not alone anymore. Sadie became my family.
Things started looking up, so I decided to get cleaned up and look for a job. Got a haircut, got some new clothes, and started walking around, filling out job applications, trying to find some work.
I got a phone call from Alexis. She runs the kennel, told me she had a job for me, that I could start training dogs for a few weeks at a time, and that's exactly what I need to be doing. And that would not have happened if I would not have been in the dog program in prison. And when she dropped Lacey off, Sadie got along with her immediately. Our family was growing.
I called my dad and asked him to come meet me.
You got a new friend?
Yep, this is Jeannie.
Hi, Jeannie.
He adopted her.
Hi, Jeannie. She's a good girl.
Yeah, she is.
You look good, buddy.
Thank you.
All cleaned up? Got a haircut?
Yep, I had a job interview today.
How'd that go?
At the motorcycle shop. It went good, I think.
You ready to come home?
Yeah, I'd love to come back home.
Yeah? Come here, buddy.
I feel like my future's bright again with Jeannie there with me.
I love her.
She's my best friend.